Welcome to the introductory episode of this tutorial series. Hello, I'm Lily, a programmer when it comes to programming. The pre-existing image in some people's minds contains these keywords: difficult, abstract, brain-burning. Because of that, some people really want to learn this skill, yet hesitate to take the first step. As someone who has been coding for many years, I wanted to show people with zero programming experience that it's actually far less scary than it seems. So I made my first video, What is Programming? A 3-minute explanation showing that programming should feel simple, intuitive, and aligned with common sense. As a creator whose fans and hair volume are equally scarce, I hesitated. A structured tutorial requires far more work than a 3-minute video, and there are already tons of paid and free programming courses out there. But some self-learners told me that many tutorials either become impossible to understand after a few days, or are too long and detailed to stay motivated, leaving them stuck at the beginner's barrier. After studying many tutorials, I felt there was room to make something different. With these two features, first, more examples and visual elements to aid understanding. Sometimes we struggle not because the knowledge is inherently hard, but because it doesn't connect to anything we already know, or because abstract descriptions confuse us. So this series aims to give you explanations that are more direct and visual. Second, conciseness. This entire tutorial is about 2 hours long, with each video between 3 and 5 minutes, covering only the core concepts a beginner needs. Many teaching videos are long because they explain lots of minor details, things that aren't commonly used, but are still taught because they can be done. But at the beginner stage, spending time memorizing such details distracts from understanding core logic, and rarely used knowledge is easily forgotten. Real-world programming isn't a closed-book exam. You don't need to memorize every language detail because you can always search online or check documentation. With more coding experience, you'll realize the real skill is knowing how to search for problems, find solutions, and solve them efficiently, not being a memory champion. As for why I chose Python as the language of instruction for the introductory tutorial, you can watch my other video, so I won't go into it here. I hope this tutorial gives you a light, friendly start, helping you grasp a core mindset of programming. After this, you can watch longer tutorials to fill gaps, do hands-on projects, or even learn another language. Once you master core logic, learning a second language becomes much faster. But for beginners, the most important thing is simply getting past the initial barrier. Finally, if you'd like to see this tutorial continue, likes, comments, and shares are the best support. I'll decide the update pace, and whether to keep going based on how many people want it. That's all for now. See you in the next video.